So I'm finally assembling the 3D printed Scout Trooper model. So this is what I've done last time. So the torso is ready, the rifle is in hands. So I'm going to put the rest of the parts together today. So I'm not sure if I'm going to finish everything or not, but the idea is to take the parts that have already been pre-printed. So this is the head, for example, and I'm just going to glue things together. This is a resin print. I really like the details, and it's put together. I'm using this Instacure glue, super glue essentially, on the parts, and the component that sets it is the drop of InstaSet. Immediately cures it, and the parts are solid together. That's why I'm wearing gloves, so to avoid my fingers getting stuck to the assembly. But if everything works well, the layer of the glue is very thin, so the fit is good. So that is STL model is quite nice. So I'm enjoying. This is the final assembly process, almost done with this model. All right, and I think this is it. Everything is in place. It's still not completely set, but largely here is the model. I think it looks good. So I'm going to let the glue completely settle and then take some photos of it. And here is our guy.